Consider the following kinds of organisms. First, bat, second, bee, and third, bird. Which of the above is pollinating agent or agents? So, we know that all these are pollinating agents. Bats, bees, birds, butterflies, etc. all are pollinating agents, and hence answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Simple question. Next question now. Consider the following kinds of organisms. First, bacteria, second, fungi, third, flowering plants. Some species of which of the above kinds of organisms are employed as biofertilizers? So, out of these, which are biofertilizers? See, we know that bacteria like rhizobium bacteria, they are used as biofertilizers. Fungus like mycorrhiza is used as biofertilizers. Fine. So it is not the problem with respect to first and second, but it is about the flowering plants. So it is not well known that certain flowering plant species are also used as biofertilizers, and hence even they are the correct choice with respect to biofertilizers, and hence answer is D, 1, 2 and 3.